All right, welcome back. Now, there's going to be some noise, just so you guys know. I've got some work being done on this building that I'm in. This is actually my detached man cave from the house. So it's a detached garage that I had completely remodeled. So I've got, well, here, just so you can see. So I've got workout area. Now this is where my pool table is going to go. It's still under construction, so it's still not fully remodeled, but eventually we're going to get hardwood floors in here, and my office is on the other side of this, but that's probably going to be moved. But yeah, so they're putting new siding on the building, and actually we're going with Hardy cement board, which is the best in the industry, so it's going to be nice. Okay, so let me put this back where it was. Okay, so don't mind the noise. That's what's going on, sorry. So, but I tend to talk loud, so hopefully it won't be too disturbing. Okay, so here's some examples. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a bunch of examples, and we're going to be applying all the rules. Okay, we're going to start off with the extended power rule. Then we're going to go to the other rules. We're going to start combining rules. Okay, again, practice this. Okay, so now here it says find the derivative of x to the negative 4. Since this is a power, right, we're dealing with power, we're going to use the power rule. So what do? We bring the exponent down in front and then decrease the exponent by 1 unit. So the derivative of this is going to be negative 4x to the negative 5, right? So if I subtract 1 from negative 4, I get negative 5. And so that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, here, be careful with this. Okay, like I said, you could do the product rule or the quotient rule for this one. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to use the quotient rule. Okay, now I could pull the constant out because there's a constant up here. So I could write this as 6 times 1 over x squared. And then I could write this as 6 times x to the negative 2. Now I can use the power rule. Right? Because this is just a constant. So sometimes if you rearrange things, you could do it even easier. So then constant multiple problem. So then I can pull the constant out and use the power rule on this, and then it becomes 6 times what? Negative 2x to the negative 3rd power, which then equals negative 12 times x to the negative 3rd power. I'm done. That's a lot easier than doing the product rule or the quotient rule. Okay. So keep an eye out for ways of simplifying things or rearranging things or rewriting the problem so you can do it easier. Okay? So that's that one. Now, this one here, we want to find k prime of x. So let's do this, right? So this is going to be k prime of x. Now again, I've got a constant times a function plus a function times another function. So here I'm going to use the constant multiple. Here I'm just going to use the product rule. So this means I'm going to pull the constant out. So it's going to be 3 times the derivative of h, which is just going to be h prime of x, plus now I'm going to use the product rule here, so it's going to be the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, which is just 2x. Okay, and I believe that's all they want us to write down for this one. Let me see here. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The only thing is I would put this in front. So this would be 3 times h prime of x plus x squared g prime of x plus 2x g of x. And that would be my final answer. And of course, make sure you box your answers. Have a great day.